Hey everyone, it's great to be here. My name is Itamar Eliakim. I'm the founder of Rootie. We came all the way from Tel Aviv, Israel. A bit to give you a context of what we're doing. A few years ago, I was working in a robotics company. We did a major roadshow in the United States. And during the evenings, we were carrying, the day during the roadshow, we were carrying robotic units within shopping centers for presentations, for stuff. And during the evening, I got to meet one of my friends. He's a facility manager at one of the shopping centers, and I was sitting in dinner with him, and he got like 10 calls from the people he needs to manage within the facility in order to go to clean, in order to go and organize, and so on and so on. So fast forward, this is how everything was born behind the Proptech revolution. Commercial facility management and maintenance companies these days suffer from a severe increase in maintenance expenses. Huge labor shortage. It actually got even worse after the pandemic. An increase in CO2 emission and a large waste of resources, which can be water, waste, and so on. The fields that we are operating within are municipalities, hotels, residential complexes, shopping centers, conference centers, and hopefully I will get to show you an example of one of our sites. So what actually we're doing? We are transforming those facility management and maintenance companies to the future. We call it Proptech 4.0, same as the Industry 4.0. We have our own monitoring agents, and actually using lots of monitoring agents, we are collecting super valuable data for the business owners and for the facility managers. We're doing hazard detection, workforce optimization, facility inspection, predictive maintenance for the entire facility. Eventually, using all our metrics, we can save 10 to 15% of the expenses of those facilities. So what actually we're doing and how we're doing this? We are interfacing with the existing CCTV cameras that you can see everywhere, shopping centers and so on. And using our additional kits that we are providing, we are installing our kits, which is a camera and lots of sensors on top of it. We are putting it, for example, on the sweepers that travels within the facilities, on the scrubbers that you see on the shopping centers. And using the entire infrastructure of those existing sensors and our sensors, we are processing everything using lots of technology that we have developed over the past 2 years. 2 patents were applied to the United States, and we are doing this entire orchestra and eventually presenting everything in a nice dashboard to those business owners. These are some of the things that we're dealing with: dangerous sidewalk for municipalities, parking lot, trash analysis, which is a major thing within the maintenance of those facilities, and lots of other examples. This is actually a use case which is very important for us to show it because it's very similar to the site that we are now sitting in. This is the largest site in Tel Aviv where we are actually operating our technology this exact moment. We have their sweeper. We took our technology. We deployed our technology on top of their sweeper. We are interfacing with 400 cameras that they already have within their facilities. And we have our own server with our algorithms in their site. And we are processing this entire data stream through our algorithms. And eventually, this is exactly what you can see here. Click, click, click. Okay, our business model is based on SaaS or HaaS, hardware as a service, software as a service. We charge a one-time setup fee for each site that we are onboarding, an additional service fee, monthly fee, for each sensor that we are connecting to the system. That is actually comparable to the size of these businesses eventually, like the size of the land that we have. But another revenue stream is actually the analytics customization that we are doing, for example, for factories. We found out that factories are interested also, in addition to what I mentioned, to do custom pallet counting, forklift counting, and so on and so on. So this customization is available for those large customers. ESG is very important for us eventually as a mission. For example, one of the things that we're doing is we are detecting where are the full and empty trash cans, and we know how to optimize the path that the maintenance worker needs to walk. And therefore, we're optimizing also how the garbage truck needs to enter the facility, and therefore doing how many times they empty those trashes and dumpsters. So we are saving the CO2 emission, and it's very important for us to align with the ESG principles. We have a very skilled team that is based in Israel. That's the management team. worked a lot on the technology that sits behind it. Time is up. Join us for the Proptech revolution, Proptech 4.0. Contact me. I'm available here behind. Thank you.